Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Gmail to n8n. All right, let's begin. First open n8n and start a new workflow in the editor. Then press the plus icon to add the first step. Use the search bar to look for Gmail and select it from the list. After that, scroll down and choose Send a Message. Now fill in the required fields and click on the credential to connect option. Then select Create New Credential and add the details. Here you can sign in with your Google account. Choose your account and allow the required permissions. Once done, you will be redirected back and your Google account will be connected to n8n. Finally, add the remaining information such as resource, operation, message, and email. After completing all fields, execute the workflow to connect Gmail to n8n. So that's basically how you can connect Gmail to n8n. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.